buster or a preacher seat. I prefer preacher seat because it just sounds cool. And what you do is you jump as high as you can, either off the dock or off the side of a pool or off a diving board. And you're gonna get up as high as you can. You gotta plug your nose like this, like you're praying, and then throw your legs out and lean back when you land. And the end result will be a huge splash and a really loud smack on the water. Everyone will think you're super cool just like me. There are some things you got to be careful of when you're doing these preacher seats. One is how shallow it is, because you can easily hit the bottom or hit a rock, depending on where you are. The other is if you lean back too far, you're going to backflop. And I mean, that's pretty cool too, but that hurts. Also, you have to be really careful if you're going to do it off the side of a pool, because you're going to throw your legs out. You don't want to slip and hit your head. Be super careful about that.
And when you jump off the diving board, you're trying to be cool and splash people. Don't hit the side of the pool. Send you to the emergency room.